Fall potpourri. This is a great way to make your house smell amazing for you, for your family, for your friends, especially if you're entertaining and you're having people over. Because a lot of times when you're cooking for friends or your family or whatever, you don't want to smell a candle. This is the perfect way to make your house smell amazing. It's very affordable because you're literally just using stuff that's in your pantry. And it's so easy. So check this out, you guys. It's great. Pan, a little bit of water. Okay, it's probably like 3 cups of water in there. Cinnamon. If you guys have just like a basic spice rack, you'll have most of this stuff. This is nutmeg. Usually I like whole nutmeg that I grind myself because it smells so amazing. And especially if I'm using it in food, that's my favorite. But they were out of it. So I have ground nutmeg. Cinnamon, nutmeg. We're gonna add some whole cloves. Oh my gosh, I love that smell. That smell is awesome. So you guys might not have this at home. This has been in my pantry for a while and I'm probably not gonna cook with it. So this is a perfect thing to use it in. My fall potpourri, boink, and I'll keep the rest of this. Maybe I'll infuse it into some kind of simple syrup or gin, vodka, something like that. Save that. Pumpkin spice. Again, these are all just like in my spice rack. And then vanilla. Vanilla extract, I love. Oh my gosh, you guys, it already smells good. So all you're gonna do, stir this up, put it on the stove, cook it on medium low until it starts to steam. And you will smell the beautiful fall potpourri goodness. Let's do it. Okay, so this, I'm just stirring it up. Oh my gosh. You just want to stir it up so all the spices are wet and mixed in. This is the perfect way to bring fall into your home. It's so affordable. It's with stuff that most of you guys will already have just sitting in your pantry. Also, if you don't have pumpkin spice or cloves, no big deal. Use cinnamon, use vanilla, use other things you have in your pantry that will give you that kind of beautiful fall flavor. Oh, it's so great. So this is something my mom used to make. And I learned it from her. And once it's cooking and you have all the beautiful potpourri steam coming off, walk it around your house. If you also have like an air duct that brings air in and up to other rooms in your house, just put it right near the air vent so it'll like suck it up and bring it up to other parts of your house. Just saying. Those are little tricks that I learned from my mom. But you just kind of walk it around like a frankincense thing into like the corners of the room and stuff. I guarantee you people will be like, what is that incredible smell? Let me know. Comment below. Oh, I can already smell it. And then just tweak it for the part of the season. Like this is my fall one, Christmas time. Tweak it, throw a pine cone in there, different kind of Christmas spices, mulling spices, things like that. And then it all of a sudden becomes Christmassy. So you can tweak it. In the summer, I'll make this, but I'll do more like orange rinds, cinnamon, lemon, and things that are more like bright and fresh. But for fall, I definitely like the fall spices. So I'm just gonna let that cook. So now that it's come to a boil, I'm gonna turn it down on low. So what I'll normally do is I'll just take this, I'll put it on a back burner, and I'll just leave it like that. And I'll leave it on low. And it just permeates the house and it's so beautiful. And then I'll just check it every once in a while to make sure there's water in it and that it hasn't evaporated. So this is like an incense that I just kind of keep going. Another thing I do is I'll bring it with me just around and I'll just kind of just bring it around to like different areas of the house. And I'll walk it into my living room. I'll bring it upstairs. And then I'll put it back on the stove and just let it do its thing. And then at night, I'll turn off the heat and I'll just let it sit there. And then tomorrow morning, I'll just turn it on again, refill it with water. And you got this and it's great for 3 to 4 days. Just make sure all the water doesn't evaporate because I don't want you guys ruining your pots. But this is such a beautiful, affordable way to make your house smell amazing. And especially we're going to be entertaining soon. The holidays coming up. You guys, this is a great, oh boy, my daughter found her microphone. She's singing. This is a great way to, to make your house smell amazing for the holidays. Another thing I love to do with the potpourri is if I'm cooking something that smells like fish or salmon, even some kind of chicken dishes, burgers, whatever, if you don't want your house to smell like that, this really helps cancel those smells and make your space smell amazing. So that's another trick. Yay! I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications if you haven't already so you know when I put up a new video. I'll see you guys soon.